To be in life means to be in movement, to be in some activity. What will happen if a person stops walking? When it becomes difficult to walk due to pain in the knee? How it's going to feel? Let us know today why there is pain in the knee, why it doesn't get healed. It is when there is less energy in the base chakra. And why this is low in base chakra? When you lack willpower. Due to lack of willpower, you lack current in coccygeal plexus. And when there is no current in the coccygeal plexus, there is no current in the sciatica nerves. And when there is no current in the knee, muscles of knee sends signal to the brain asking for current. So, pain is nothing but a signal to the brain to send the current. But instead of sending current, what you do? You take painkiller. When you take painkiller, signal of pain to the brain stops for some time. But when the effect of painkiller comes down, then again you take medicine. You keep doing it again and again. What you exactly need to do is only to send energy. What else? Psychoneurobic programming means to send energy, healing current. So, how to send energy in the knee? To send energy in the knee, what you have to do? You have to concentrate first. Concentration on the red color of 3D plate. When you concentrate on red color, your energy will vibrate on a red color. When it will vibrate in red color frequency, base or Muladhara chakra will vibrate. When base chakra will vibrate, current will flow in the coccygeal plexus. When there will be flow of current, it will reach your knee through sciatica nerves. So, to receive current, you have to connect with the current. And to connect with the current, one very effective tool is 3D concentration image plate. You see this? Here it is 3D stereographic plate. It's colorful. 7 color plates are there. But here you have to concentrate on red color only. The moment you concentrate, your mind gets focused. You are now able to see 3D image inside. And while seeing the 3D image, what you have to do? You will find there 16 blade-like formation. You have to rotate your eyes across for 21 times clockwise. Slowly repeating the same anti-clockwise. With this rotation, with this process, your brain will start vibrating with 436 trillion hertz. That frequency will then heal your base chakra. And when your base chakra will get healed, the current will flow in the coccygeal plexus. And when there will be current in the coccygeal plexus, your knee will automatically start receiving the current with this process. There will be transfer of current in your knee. So, after this, what you have to do? See, this is the first step. In the second step, you have to feel that current from the source is coming and is being received by base chakra. And from base chakra, it's spreading in the skeleton, muscles in your knee, and see your entire body in a red color. And then in the third stage, what to do? You have to tighten your knee. Tighten your knee and then release. Tight and then release. Tight again and then release. Do it 21 times. While feeling that red color, you have to tight and release. You have to see that red color in your knee. It's receiving red color energy. And after doing this exercise, keep both the hands in your knee and start talking to your knee. So, if you are receiving the energy, are you relaxed now? Are you peaceful now? Talk this way. So, this way knee pain will automatically finish. This is self-healing exercise. You have to do this. Psychoneurobics programming is the self-healing exercise. Here you have to do it. You have to transfer energy in the knee. After giving energy, you have to talk with it and do it thrice a day like this. Your knee pain will vanish the way it has never been before. But you have to do this. Nobody is going to do instead of you. Nobody will concentrate on the plate. It's only you who has to do this. This is self-healing tool. If you do this, you will get this. Your knee pain will vanish within a week. This is guaranteed. You have to do this. This is the guarantee of God. You have to transfer healing current from God in your knee. And to take healing current, you have to focus. Instead of taking medicine, you have to take this mind medicine. Using this mind medicine, you can heal your knee pain. If you want to purchase this plate, go to description box. You will find a link. There is 3D plate of large size. Also, you may find the 3D healing album of normal book size. There are 7 different plates. All have different uses for healing. By giving red color energy in your knee, you will get rid of knee pain. Thank you.